Glucose-6-phosphate dehydrogenase, popularly known as G6PD, is an enzyme in the cytoplasm which acts in the pentose phosphate pathway of metabolism, which helps in the formation of NADPH, the reduced form of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. NADPH is an important defense against oxidative stress. NADPH is also required for fatty acid and cholesterol synthesis. There is a theory that G6PD deficiency reduces risk for cardiovascular disease. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon after that for all updates. In 1998, a study by Coco and associates evaluated this aspect. They studied about 1,800 males who had been detected to have G6PD deficiency by an official population screening program. It was found that mortality from cardiovascular diseases was about half of what was expected. The decrease in deaths was mostly explained by reduced deaths due to coronary artery disease and cerebrovascular disease. The earlier hypothesis was that G6PD deficient individuals may be less susceptible to cardiovascular disease because there would not be enough NADPH for intima cell proliferation during atheroma production. Another study by Pinna and associates evaluated the relation between G6PD deficiency and retinal vein occlusion. They concluded that the frequency of G6PD deficiency in patients with retinal vein occlusion was lower than expected in the population with a high incidence of the condition. Jain M. and associates, based on experimental studies, suggest that G6PD is an essential myocardial enzyme for protecting against oxidative stress-induced dysfunction during reperfusion following ischemia. Drent M. and colleagues, in a letter to the editor of Circulation Research, proposed that a case of cardiac failure in a person with sarcoidosis was associated with G6PD deficiency. They thought that G6PD deficiency may cause vulnerability to oxidative damage and cardiac failure. With this in mind, they treated the person with carvedilol, a beta blocker with antioxidant properties, in addition to conventional medications for heart failure. The good response to therapy was considered to be a pointer to their hypothesis. Only future studies will clarify which of these hypotheses are really true. First set of references on G6PD deficiency and cardiovascular system. Second set of references on G6PD deficiency and cardiovascular system. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.